Samsung makes some of the best TVs, which aren't exactly easy to set up or navigate. Samsung smart TVs run on Tizen OS, which may be filled with the best streaming services and even cloud gaming platforms. Simple tasks, such as installing your favorite apps onto your Samsung smart TV, become incredibly complex. Interestingly, there are two different ways to download an app to a Samsung smart TV. It's entirely dependent on what kind of apps you're downloading, but for the most part, you'll be able to find everything you need in Samsung's App Store. GadInsider's compiled a guide on how to download apps on Samsung smart TVs. First off, access the home dashboard. Navigate to the Samsung App Store. Search the app you want to download and click Install. Add to Home page. Check available storage and settings under Apps. Meanwhile, keep watching to view a detailed guide for each step. First off, press the Home button on your remote to access the Home dashboard. Scroll to the right, navigating to the Apps section located. Either tap left to pull up the search function or scroll down under Apps to find the one you want to install. Once you find the app you want on your Samsung Smart TV, click Install. Once installed, you'll have the option to either open or add to Home. It's said that adding the new app to your home screen will help you not lose it in the mess that is Tizen OS after hastily opening it. With the app set on your home carousel, it's good to check your Samsung Smart TV system storage and adjust various app settings as you see necessary. You can find this at the bottom of the app section.